Hi, my name is Ngô and first of all, I want to thank you for spending time to listen my presentation about the summary question one in a assignment. So you can see on the slide, this is a little bit about my information. So currently I'm learning at the Utrecht University and my major is the IT and the subjects we're gonna make a presentation will be Introduction to Multimedia Technology, and my teacher with the name Đinh Hoàng Tùng. So you can see on slide, there is five main point section in my assignment. They have introduced concept and different type of AR, relevant between multimedia technology and AR, introduced TikTok and Pokemon Go. These two type of AR applications will be in the section listing for two example. Effect benefit. Impact TikTok with the user, society, and nation, and will also for the Pokemon Go. Next, we will go and move to the first section. So when we talk about the AR, we just remember that this type of technology will using the real physical world in the reality, and they adding some functions digital such as sounds, visual elements, and other sensory stimuli. And of course, the AR will different with the VR because VR will using the virtual environments for the user can have the best experience in another world, not is not harmful in the reality. Next, we will on to talk about different types of AR, augmented reality. So you can see on the image I push in the slide, we have the two main type of AR include marker-based AR, markerless AR, and in the markerless AR, we have four types is projection, location-based, overlay, and contour-based. So, what is the marker-based AR? Marker-based AR working in the visual markers to trigger the experience that has changed before. And for example, very important and popular with the microbiase are is using two-dimensional QR codes in the supermarkets or something like shopping. There is anywhere. So the next, this technology usually using in the mobile device such as smartphone and the tablets. Also, microbiase AR will use you to be the intelligent invention, but it has some limitations so that cannot using in present nowadays. So the next is about Maculus AR. Maculus AR will different with the marker-based AR because it not requirement to identify the image to reduce visual impacts, which means this kind of technology will using the camera, location software, and accelerometer to quickly map the positional information. After using that function, they also use the SLAM. SLAM stands for simultaneous localization and mapping to describe the three-dimensional environments. And the next, we will gonna deeply research about four types of Maculus AR based on the Maculus AR. We have projection and location and overlay AR contour. So for the projection, this we're using immersive lights into the flat surface to make the 3D imagery, and also using the SLAM technology to support recording the interaction between the people and with the argumentation, and also is used basing on AR Maculus. Next is the location. This kind of technology will make the uh, content fit in the physical space, so also in the real world environment, and notice the visual position around specific space. And this is why we recognize the matching location are already set up in the map, and it will superimpose suitable digital imagery. And for the next, we will gonna gain knowledge about the overlay AR. The overlay AR in markerless AR will be the object with the advanced visual image in the same item with the professional's multi-visual perspective. And the most popular and famous example to show overlay AR you can show on the internet is about the correction application. Specifically, it's e-care place application. This application AR will allow you to push the item not have in the reality in your in your specific space or the workplace to make the user can image what is or what how look like before they make the purchase. It's very convenient, right? So the last one we have the contour. The contour technology will be using the outlining AR and cooperation with the SLAM to make the raft outline of silhouette objects and interacts between the people in reality. And also the for example when using contour they can develop the safe driving application at the midnight, and also there is some kind of shortage of lightning roads, heavy rain, and low visibility issues. It's very convenient and useful for the driver around the world. So the next, we will talk about a relevance between multimedia and technology and AR. So multimedia is viral and trending for the internet nowadays because this type of technology will be using with their own purpose. For example, marketing, business, selling, and building a personal brand. And how about with the AR effects with multimedia? AR will be the augmented reality to support for the multimedia. For example, I mentioned above, the application eCare Place can push the user image, the stuff or the items they want to buy, how look like in their home or their workplace, or maybe in another different kind of places before they making a purchase. So the next, for example, I will mention is about TikTok and Pokemon Go. And of course, two types of this application will be developed based on the AR augmented reality. And TikTok use a powerful AR tools for the user can have the best experiences. And Pokemon Go will use technology location in the markerless AR I mentioned above. So what is kind of benefit but positive impact with a TikTok for user? First of all, TikTok in year 2023 are the trending and popular for making a video for creator or maybe for the user, and they have play a role very important when button for the Gen Z. And also, we're using the TikTok to gain more knowledge, and the method we're using for in the TikTok for in reality and in your life is also useful. How about society? So society will be gonna building the relationship, learning new experiences, and exchanging difficult together. So like when you have any problem of the issue we cannot solve of yourself, you can go on the TikTok and share your subject you want to go on expectation to solve it. It's very convenient and useful for the generation nowadays. The last one is about the nation of the TikTok can impact. So for the nation, the TikTok will directly contribute to the economics based on the fan growth of the pop music such as BTS, Blackpink, and EXO. Why I say that? For example, when these pop song or pop music play TikTok, they accidentally make the viral for the user or the fan or their fan club in the world, and maybe they have a one performance or a show in their country, and it's kind of changed for many user or the fan club in the world. They can go to their country to listening their music and also enjoy the experience in the show. So the next we will go to how benefit positive impact with the Pokemon Go for the user first. For the user, Pokemon Go is exactly the application for reduce stressful and learning at working. And of course, this kind of application will refresh your mind and recharge your energy in the next day working. For the user, Pokemon Go also encourage traveling to different places to find a variety of Pokemon because on the Pokemon Go there have many kind of insects or Pokemon that for the user can catching them in different places. And how about society? When society we talk about the Pokemon Go, I have two research on the internet very famous when using for the Pokemon Go is the prevent problem of hikikomori at Japan, and SAT stand for social anxiety disorder because Pokemon Go will requirement the player need to moving, moving continuously, so it will be on a good chance for the people have the problem hikikomori, and also for the person have the issue of SAD because they come in community and take communication with other people, and also this will kind of technology will increase the relationship between internal countries and external international. And the last one with the Pokemon Go effect is about a nation. So it can connect the player and traveler because Pokemon Go using the function translate in different kind of languages. It's similar like the Google Translate on the internet, and Pokemon Go also encourage the customer traveling into specific countries with the many different kind we can the user can have more about the rarely or unusual Pokemon they can catching, and also this customer traveling in another country and your country will have the economic because the traveler come to your country and they make the experience in here, and also the country will also increase the economic beside that when playing Pokemon Go. So that is about my quickly about presentation, the summary question one following the assignment. Thank you. My name is Gowan, and again, thank you for spending time to listen my presentation.